Hi, I'm Radiant Space and with Rooted in Radiance, and we are activating at the 2023 Petalpalooza, sponsored by the National Cherry Blossom Festival. And we are just so excited to be here with all the events. So today we have 30-minute activations of wellness, yoga, stretching, and also alongside Mayweather Gym that just opened in Navy Yard. And so I'll be doing yoga flows to Afro beats and Amapiano. And also you can purchase by donation some really cool yoga mats, as well as signing up for my newsletter to get like a customized style session. We're just out here having fun, celebrating all the cherry blossoms and how we are blooming internally as well.
Into the bottle to zoom back out at the same time.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo.
Yes. Different emotion. Give them something else. Yes.